Hey guys, if you're still wasting time coding everything by hand, today discover a smarter way to design websites using AI with just one tool, DeepSeek. Grab your coffee and let's get started. I built this design in under 1 minute. Now it's your turn to do the same. Open your laptop and follow along with me step by step. First, create a new folder and name it Pricing Section. Open it in Visual Studio Code. Then create an HTML file. Next, go to DeepSeek and write this prompt. Create an ultra-modern, professional pricing section for an AI photo generator website with dark theme, 3 pricing tiers, starter, professional, enterprise, toggle switch for monthly, yearly billing, floating particle animation in the background, 3D tilt animation. Wait for the code to generate. Copy it. Paste it into your HTML file, then run the code. Wow! Look at that! Seconds of work. And it looks like something that took hours.
Perfect.
That's the power of AI when you use it right, and when you write the right prompt. Now, it's quiz time. 1. What prompt adds animation when you move the mouse over a pricing card? A. Add drop shadow to buttons. B. Remove image borders. C. Use gradient background. D. Add 3D tilt animation on card hover. 2. What prompt lets users switch between monthly and yearly prices? A. Add a toggle switch for billing options. B. Add a contact form. C. Create a carousel. D. Use single pricing option only. 3. What prompt adds visual motion behind the pricing section? A. Add floating particle animation in the background. B. Add blur to text. C. Create a sticky header. D. Use scrolling marquee. 4. What prompt gives users flexible payment options? A. Add free trial text. B. Add download button. C. Add monthly, yearly billing toggle. D. Use one-time payment only. 5. What prompt creates different pricing options for users? A. Insert social media icons. B. Add testimonials. C. Add 3 pricing tiers: starter, professional, enterprise. D. Use a single card only. If you got all the answers right, you're on the right path. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and follow for more. See you in the next one.